Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Here from the Mantiques Network, how you doing today? What we have here is a 1950s Northwestern hot nut machine, bulk vendor. Basically how it would work is user comes over, grabs a cup, vends in, turns the device, it would fill it full of hot nuts. So if you're into vintage vending or really looking for your first piece, this might be right up your alley. 1950s Northwestern hot nut vending machine.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.